Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. I have missed you so much. I hope you are warm, safe, and healthy. Please rise. Today is Tuesday, February the 23rd, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sort the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses. Each and every day, I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Some things you're going to see and read about in the Family Weekly. So, scholars and families, you should be getting a call from the health aide for your pre-K, first grade, third and fifth graders for their vision screenings that we're required to do each and every year. So make sure you answer that phone and get that set up. Also, this Saturday will be our lottery for our next coming year for those scholars that can join Idea South Flores. So make sure you have your family and friends sign up. If you're coming to the office to get something, please make sure you call Miss Gabby Aguilar to make an appointment so that we keep our social distancing safety protocol followed. Super important. Fourth grade scholars, your writing mock star has been changed to next Monday, the 1st of March. So today you should see a new schedule going out so you'll know what time that's going to be happening on next Monday. Also, we have meal bundles scheduled to go out. So make sure that if your family needs meals, they come get them Monday through Friday, 12 to 2, Monday and Wednesday, 4 to 6, and Friday, 3 to 5. We have 26 royal readers. Can't wait to hear an update to see if we have more. I have a couple of shout outs. I have shout outs for our teachers, our families, our scholars for being so amazing over this terrible winter storm we had. You guys were very supportive of one another. You helped each other and just appreciate all that you do every day. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot!